Okay, this will be Under the Wings 80, video part 22. I just did part 20. It's like 7 or 8 minutes long, which will probably mean very few viewers, so I'm going to try to make this much shorter. And people can read the accompanying text. Private First Class M.Goldstein, born 1922, New Jersey. He was captured at the Battle of the Bulge, 1945, was sent to Berga concentration death camp in Germany, which is a unit of the Buchenwald concentration death camp. He and about somewhere between 60 and 80 Allied soldiers, I think mainly American, were executed either because they had Jewish-sounding surnames or they looked Jewish. We have allegorical sea monsters, 2 insects, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, this big one here, 2 insects here. We have a metaphoric or tunnel, thinking of the trains which crisscrossed Europe. I first learned about the Holocaust in 1961 when I was 11, and seeing headlines in newspapers my folks would get at home about the Eichmann trial in Jerusalem. Colonel Eichmann led the transport of prisoners across Europe. And with Trump having stated, as reported in the news in autumn 2024, by his former chief of staff, John Kelly, Trump expressed admiration for Third Reich generals for their devotion to Hitler. And Trump expressed that Hitler did some good things, both completely obscene, hateful remarks by Trump, but he is the most racist president in modern American history. I put his name on the tunnel building there, and above it I wrote "Blech!" exclamation. We have 3 pieces of a lino cut I did about Primo Levi, the late Italian Jewish chemist, slave labor survivor, and celebrated author of the post-war years. He died in 1987. That's again a fragment from a lino cut linoleum block print I did about Primo Levi. And postage stamp from my early teen years, age 10 to 14 or so, postage stamp collection toward the United Nations. This is issued in San Francisco on April 25th, 1945, in memory of Franklin Roosevelt, who had died shortly before them. He was executed, again, if I didn't mention this already, in March 1945 at Berga. And a Deutsche Reich postage stamp of Hitler, 25 Pfennig, issued in, I have to check the year again, around 1941. And this Deutsche Reich newspaper stamp was issued in 1939. All right, there you have it. Trump's admiration for Third Reich generals is perverse, obscene hatred of Christianity, hatred of Judaism and all other faiths, and just really, really sickening, obscene.